Hi, everyone. This is Jen Fees. I am going to give you a little overview about the AACT periodical Chemistry Solutions. I work as the editor of Chemistry Solutions, and recently I've been fortunate to add Felicia as an associate editor. She's been working with Chemistry Solutions for the last few months and will continue to do so in the future. And Ray works as our digital editor for the publication. So I just want to give you a little overview if you're not familiar with Chemistry Solutions. The whole purpose of Chemistry Solutions is to be a platform for K-12 teachers to be able to share with their fellow K-12 teachers. So typically the articles that appear in Chemistry Solutions are written by current teachers. Sometimes we'll have an article written by a retired teacher or a student teacher, that sort of thing, but typically they are closely related to or a current teacher of chemistry. So in the last year, we had 4 successful issues in our volume 9 of Chemistry Solutions. We publish 4 times a year, if you're not aware of that, September, November, March, and May. And throughout those 4 issues, we published 19 new articles. And in, association with those articles, oftentimes there's a supplementary classroom teaching resource. So there were 12 new classroom resources added due to their connection with an article. So they would have been contributed by the author of those articles. In this past year, we added a new column to Chemistry Solutions, which was exciting. We called that our reprint spotlight. So it's actually an article that was previously published in the periodical some point in the last 9 years. And we just picked a very timely, exciting, popular article from the past, and we featured it again in the issue. And this was a great way to feature content that is available, but maybe not promoted right now. If you go to our archives, you can see we have 271 articles. So it is nice to go back into the past and see what might be of benefit to teachers and be able to highlight it again in the newest issue. Let's see. So for the coming year, we have a couple exciting changes, or maybe not changes, but additions. We are going to have an advice column featured in each issue of Chemistry Solutions. So we're going to have a place on the website where teachers, the purpose is for teachers to ask a question. So if they're struggling with something in their classroom or they would like insight on something, advice, that sort of thing, they can ask the question. They can leave their name, their email address, that sort of thing, if they wish. It can be anonymous. And they will ask the question and we will get it answered for them. So we'll outsource it maybe to a member of the governing board, maybe to a staff member, but we will get those questions answered and we will feature them in each issue of Chemistry Solutions. And we hope that that might be a valuable way to connect with teachers and help support teachers of chemistry. We're also going to have a few updates to our layout. So this here that I'm showing you is the latest issue of Chemistry Solutions. This is our issue page where you can see everything that is in this issue of Chemistry Solutions. So we might have some updates to that in terms of the layout. It might look a little bit different or improved probably is our goal. If you're not familiar with Chemistry Solutions, each issue we also feature a new multimedia component, which we design to be featured or launched, I guess, on the day that Chemistry Solutions publishes. The most recent one was an animation, and you can find all of the simulations and animations that have been published in the past in our multimedia library under animations or simulations. So those are aimed to be used by teachers in the classroom, and the simulations would be interacted with by students. The animations are used to support teaching or to help teachers make their own videos to use in the classroom. I want to give a special thanks to our governing board, current members, past members. We typically ask governing board members to contribute in some way to Chemistry Solutions. The presidential succession has been very helpful in writing our guest editorials for each issue. We've had committee members also write editorials, ambassadors that write an article during their one-year term. Some of you that may be listening to this have already started on this for this year, and we're excited to work with you and share your insight with the chemistry education community. If you have any ideas that you'd like to share, or you know of a teacher that you think has some ideas or an experience that would be valuable to share through Chemistry Solutions, please encourage them to contribute, to reach out and contact us. We'd love to work with new teachers, new voices through the magazine, and be able to benefit the entire community. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them on site at our meeting, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone there. Thanks so much, everyone.